Ravi was a simple boy from a small village, filled with dreams like any other teenager. But he had one major flaw. He never valued time. He always believed there was plenty of it. I will do it tomorrow, he would say, or there is still time. What he didn't realize was that time slips away, like water never to return. Ravi's father, a hard working farmer, lived a life of discipline. Every morning before sunrise, he went to the fields. He often reminded Ravi's son, time is life. If you waste time, you waste your life. But Ravi would just smile, roll over, and go back to sleep, thinking his father was too serious. Instead of studying, Ravi spent hours with his friend under the banyan tree, laughing, chatting, and dreaming about a grand future. He often said, one day I will be a great man. I will own a car, big house, and travel the world. But his book gathered dust, and his dreams remained just that, dreams. Then life took a sharp turn. Ravi's father fell gravely ill. The man who had never missed a day in the fields now lay weak in bed. The doctor diagnosed a heart condition that required rest and costly medicines. For the first time, Ruby saw fear in his father's eyes. Suddenly, the burden of the family fell on his shoulders. But Ravi had no job, no skills, and no money. His friends, once always around, were now busy with their own lives. One night, sitting by his father's bedside, Ruby wept. His father whispered in a frail voice, son, I always told you that time is precious. You had it, but you did not use it. Now you want to run, but time has already run away from you. Those words pierced Ruby's heart. He could not sleep that night. The next morning, Ravi went to the village temple. Sitting in silence, he observed how everything moved with time. The rising sun, the flying birds, the ticking clock. He finally understood time waits for no one. From that day, Ruby changed. He woke up early, worked in the fields, and studied late into the night under a dim lantern. He learned from books, from experienced farmers, from anyone willing to teach him. He stopped wasting time and started building his future. Months passed, Ruby grew stronger, wiser, and more determined. He saved every coin until he could afford his father's medicines. Slowly, his father's health improved and his smile returned. A smile that gave Ravi even more strength. Years went by. Ruby completed his education through distance learning and became an agricultural expert. He helped farmers in his village grow better crops and even started a small company producing organic fertilizers. His village prospered and people respected him. One day, a young boy asked him, sir, what is the secret of your success? Ruby smiled and replied, time. I once wasted it and paid a heavy price. But when I learned its value, it gave me everything I dreamed of. Time is the most powerful force in life. It can make you or break you. You cannot stop it, you cannot hold it. But if you walk with it, it will take you to a beautiful place. That night, Ruby sat beside his father, now old but healthy. His father looked at him with pride and said, you learned, son. You become the man I always hoped you would be. With tears in his eyes, Ruby held his father's hand and whispered, I lost time once, but I will never lose it again. This story is not just about Ruby, It is about all of us. We think we have enough time. We waste hours scrolling on our phones, delaying our dreams, waiting for the right moment. But time never waits. Every second that passes is gone forever. Value your time, use it wisely. Start today, not tomorrow. Because life itself is made of time. Waste it and you waste your life. Respect it and life will reward you in return. The clock is ticking, what will you do with your time?